welcome to another video. This is Eleni, and today you will follow my process of using RubOn Stickers to create the front cover of my journal. It is the first time I'm trying it and I hope it will work. The journal has a canvas cover, so hopefully the RubOns will stick on it, but I will also use matte medium over them to be sure they don't fall off eventually. After that, there is a flip through of this art journal with pages that were created between 2021 to 2023. And if you are only interested in that, you can hop over to minute 3:33 in this video, for that is when the flip through starts. Most of these pages are my own creations, but some of them are lessons from the Art Soul Gathering 2022 and the Life Book 2023 workshops. And a few are inspired by favorite online artists like Jane Davenport, Tamara Laporte, Angela Kennedy, Andrea Gomol, Jenny Mano, and Lucy Brydon. Now, if this video is too fast for you, you can easily slow it down with only 3 clicks. Find out how to do that in the description box. Hope you enjoy my creative fun and hope you get inspired in the process. Don't hesitate to leave any questions you may have. And if you appreciate my videos and want to support my channel, there are some easy ways to do that. You can like and comment under them, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.